wing gliders. Get ready to sail the skies and fly the clouds. Getting this launcher ready isn't easy. And those wing gliders are almost here. Still need to put the wings in place. Can't have a wing glider without wings. When these wings are in place, you'll fly and see work better than any dragon. Toothless! A wing glider without wings? Trouble! This is terrible. You'll see some goggle eggs, which are well known to explode when they hatch. But don't worry, they only hatch in exactly these conditions at exactly this time of year. Which means that stopping here would be a really bad idea. Oh boy. Hold on tight. The fire wasn't built for this. Completely impressed. If you ever want to go flying again, just stop by. Toothless and I will be waiting for you. We're the best of friends. God, Toothless, not the face, not the face. Gather up all your axes, helmets, and shields and prepare to exit the window. Yeah, go feed the dragon, please. Have enough trouble as it is trying to shoo them out.